Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're gonna share one real incident which happened to one of my friend regards a credit card scam. Before we could get into the details, we request you to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also kindly click on the bell icon so that the videos we update will not be missed out. This incident happened to one of my friend from Hyderabad on July 18th Saturday between 12 pm to 2 pm. He received a transaction alert from the debit of 22,000 of his credit card. He was dumbfounded for two things. One is he has not done the transaction, and the second is the transaction taken at Delhi-based ATM. He could not understand as what was happening. It took him few minutes to come out of the shock and understand as what happened. Immediately he tried to reach the bank customer care support, but to his bad luck, due to the pandemic, he was informed to call the next day. The next day he called the customer care support and informed the issue. After various arguments and questionnaire, the bank humans declared as the transaction is done by my friend only. So sad of him. Guys, it can happen to anyone, so one should be aware of how it happens and what are the precautionary steps we can take to protect. The scam, otherwise named as credit card cloning or skimming, it is a technique where someone obtains your credit card details, copies them into their bogus card and begins using the credit card. The first thing, the scammer will recruit an individual who is willing to participate in the scheme. Their primary targeted people to obtain the card details will be the bar attendants, waiters and shop assistants. The person whom they recruit would be provided by a pocket-sized device with a scanning slot, something that resembles like a pager, and it also can be used or worn on a belt. They are instructed to swipe the customer's credit cards through the device. Since the process takes only few seconds, it is very easy for them to get the details without anyone's sight and without even the customer knowledge. Swiping the credit cards through the devices copies the information held on the magnetic strip into memory. That information can subsequently be copied into the counterfeit card completely with the security holograms. Also, they have developed the techniques or the system such a way that they can override the stolen credit card if at all it is very hard to handle. Do not underestimate the size of this problem, guys. To be surprised, in the year 2000 at UK, there was $200 spent with cloned cards. Just imagine where the number stands in the coming future. Isn't it really scary even to think about? So how do we protect ourselves? Yes, we can do by one method, that is using smart chip credit card. These smart chips are microchips embedded in credit cards that encrypt the information contained in the magnetic strip. The microchip cannot be changed or deleted. If a skimmer tries to scan your card or through any device, they will be obtaining only the encrypted information and thus they'll not able to clone your credit card. If someone steals your smart card and disables the chip, the new chip terminals will alert the staff to ask for an ID or decline the transaction. Hope the information provided is useful to everyone, and everyone be careful about your cards and how you can safeguard them. Please give a like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications. Please do not forget to leave the comments and suggestions before you switch to the other task. Take care guys, we'll get back with other interesting and useful topic.